Welcome back. We've all heard of green appliances, green cleaning products, even green cars. But how about a green salon and spa?
I like it. One new spa in the Kansas City area is clean and green, and it caters to more than just women.
Like these guys.
Yes.
Lots of hoopla surrounding a new spa in the heart of Fairway.
There was a place we wanted to create that we would go, and that our friends would go, and that other people should go, and we decided there wasn't that place in Kansas City, so we just went out and made it.
The owners of Hoopla pride themselves on being an environmentally friendly spa. They even make their own customized nail polish. How ingenious.
Hoopla Mini Polish is fantastic because it comes in a mini size. So unlike other places where you go and you're using a polish that many other people have used on their own nails, our polish is just used once on you, and then you get to take it home for touch-ups.
The motto at Hoopla, mani, pedi, wax, repeat. And they do a fine job of it. Unlike most other spas, this one caters to men as well as women. On the night we visited, they had a boys' night out of sorts. We kidnapped an unsuspecting victim for his very first pedicure. I can't be sure, but I think he enjoyed it.
You are a first-time pedicurist. No more. What are your thoughts?
First timer. It's amazing. It felt so good. They walked me through everything. They let me know what was going on. It felt super clean. It feels really great. My feet look amazing. They're naturally shiny all on their own. I'll probably come back.
When men come in to get a pedicure, they are very surprised at the experience.
Hoopla prides itself on being squeaky clean and chemical-free.
We have several things that set us apart. We offer services that are super hygienic, so people don't need to worry about contracting the yucky infections that they might get at other places.
We've taken out the 5 what we call yuckiest chemicals, which there's very little regulation on cosmetic industry, and so there are a lot of harsh chemicals, including formaldehyde.
And let's not forget, they can give you a mean massage, too. It's one-stop shopping if you're looking for